Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and you may be asking yourself, what is the Disney Stranger doing out here in the middle of nowhere? Well, that's a very good question, because today I'm going to be visiting an old friend, someone I've known since kindergarten. My friend goes by the name of Ackmonster, and Ackmonster is an artist, and he's not just any artist, he's a carver. He's not just any kind of carver, he's a buzzsaw artist. This dude can make anything out of a piece of wood. He's so creative, he's so ingenious, this guy is so talented. I'm a huge fan of Disney, I'm a huge fan of Star Wars, and I'm a huge fan of the Mandalorian. So today the Ackmonster has made something very special for me, and I want to share it with everyone, and I'm here to pick it up. Check out the Ackmonster's latest creation. Check him out.
Oh my!
Hey, Ackley, what's going on, Brian?
What's up? Ain't seen you in a million years. Look what I just did to my saw.
Oh my goodness, I didn't break it now, did I?
Nah, that's what you get when you have a loose chain and you twist the bar. Hey, check out what I'm doing. I'm making a totem pole for a guy. Except it ain't a real normal totem pole like you see on everyday Native American type things up in the northwest of the United States. This is for a guy that has a special connection to these here animals. The first one up here on the top is going to be a phoenix, not an eagle or a thunderbird. You can see he's going to be on fire. All these are flames. And then he wants a raccoon underneath of here. And then we have a pair of Odin's ravens coming out. And underneath of that, we're going to have a wise old owl. So I guess he's into wisdom or something.
Or maybe something out of Guardians of the Galaxy?
Guardians of the Galaxy, maybe. With the Infinity Gauntlet and all that, no can't tell. But hey, I got something else cool for you to see.
Oh yeah?
Yep, you might want to come over and check this out over here.
Great, let's go.
All right.
Oh my goodness, this thing is freaking awesome. What
Look,
is this?
We got a GORKU with his little cuppa. We can't be acting right unless we have a cuppa in the morning.
Cuppa for
The child.
The child. This is amazing. How long did it take you to make this?
This took about 2.5 hours for carving them out, and probably another 1.5 hours finishing them off.
You do such great work.
Thank you, sir. Nothing special, just your friendly neighborhood chainsaw carver. Care for GORKU. First off, place some pebbles or something underneath of it so water and air can get out from underneath of it and it won't facilitate rot. Also cover him with more oil-based polyurethane throughout its life to keep him sealed and impervious to weather. And that's pretty much it. And keep them out of direct sunlight as much as possible. It is wood. It will crack sometime. And when and if it does, if it cracks somewhere stupid and you can't stand it, bring him back here and I'll fix him for free. And if he's on COVID lockdown, you're just going to have to put up whatever the force puts the cracks in his face.
You don't need a mask if you have the force, right?
Nope. If you want to do it yourself type, you know. There he goes. Now he's safe.
Now he's the bandit.
Cover the nose now. What we got here is some stuff that's in the works. We got a Labrador We have the threatening, we don't dial 911 double-barreled assault bear. Keep everybody in the neighborhood safe. And we got a shooting star leaping horse.
There's a star.
And there's the star. Cardinals and bears, oh my. And here we have a battle cross, which is a memorial to fallen soldiers and Marines and sailors and airmen. And this is going to the Salem County Veterans Association. And we've got the old standby bear. Everybody loves bears.
What kind of bear is this?
This is a big bear.
And his belly button. I love the belly button.
Didn't notice that? That indeed it is. Another interesting note is GORKU is made from storm-damaged wood, so no trees were killed to make him. It's all recycled wood. It would have ended up in a chipper or mulch. Whatever you do, folks, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.